Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the class. Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to continue our lesson number 11, that is components of the environment and interrelationships. Now, already we have seen the major four components, that are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Now, just have a look on the picture that is shown on your screen. See, lithosphere means land, hydrosphere means the water body, atmosphere means the layer of gases around the earth, and biosphere means combination of these three layers where the living organisms exist. Now, besides this, we have also seen the two main types of environment. One is natural environment and the other is man-made environment. Natural environment includes biological components like flora, fauna and human beings, and inorganic components are like land, water and air. Now, what do you mean by biotic and abiotic? Biotic means living components and abiotic means non-living components. Man-made environment is created by human mind by interacting with biotic and abiotic components. We gather many biotic and abiotic components and make an artificial environment that is suitable for our living, that is known as man-made environment. So today we are going to learn about man-made environment. Man interacts with surrounding environment. He makes changes in it according to his need. In ancient times, man lived a nomadic life. What do you mean by nomadic life? Nomadic life means he used to go from one place to another in search of food and adapted the environment according to his own needs. His life was simple and his needs were limited. So all his needs were met from the surrounding environment. Now what happened here? As he used to move from one place to another, hunt animal, gather fruits, so his needs were limited and he used to get the things that he needed from the surrounding environment. As the time passed, changes occurred and need also increased. But as the time passed on, what happened? The needs of human life increased. Man learned how to use and change the environment. Now slowly, as we have already seen in 6th standard, that after Stone Age, the humans, they started making wheels, they started making house out of mud and hay. So same way, as many revolutions came, human beings started using things from environment and making it suitable for their living. As a result, production increased in agriculture, animal husbandry due to invention of wheel and industrial revolution. Now slowly what happened? Humans started increasing agriculture, animal rearing, he made wheels and many industrial revolutions. This man-made environment is also known as cultural environment. Now, next what we can see is distribution of water. That is on your page number 60. So turn your page. The area of water on earth is more than land area. Now, the area of water is much more than land area. It occupies about 71% of Earth's surface. 71% of the surface is occupied by water. An ocean is a water body that has huge reserves of water. Now there are 4 oceans on the earth. First is Pacific, second is Atlantic, third is Indian and fourth is Arctic. All these oceans are connected to one another. Now we have major 4 oceans and they are connected with one another. These oceans are very wide and deep. In the Pacific Ocean, there is a trench which is 10 to 11 kilometers deep. Trench means, in other words, we can say valley, and that is 10 to 11 kilometers deep inside. Mostly of the water on the earth is saline. Now, the ocean water, the sea water, they are mostly saline, means they have salt component in them. It is mainly found in oceans and seas. The main source of fresh water are glaciers, groundwater, lakes of fresh water, and rivers. So this was about distribution of water. That means in what proportion water is found on the earth and in what form. Now next topic that we will be seeing is sea waves, but we'll be continuing this topic in our next class. Hope you understood about the man-made environment and distribution of water. Please go through it once. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.